Juva family, it's me again, and guess what? We have something brand new to show you. I'm already wearing it and you can't even tell. So excited. We have scrunchies. That's right, we have scrunchies, and I'm going to show them to you. I normally use an elastic to, like, one of these or one of the little thin ones to put my hair up in before I put my bun on. And today I tried a scrunchie and it's working very well. So you can't even tell it's there. I really like it. I don't know if that helps you to see, but yeah. So I know how much we all love scrunchies, and I just ripped them out of the bag. Here they are. So they come 5 to a bag. You can choose the color set that you want. And I'm going to not just hold them in a big wad. I'll show you the different ones. And I'll, a scrunchie is not just a scrunchie, right? Because they have to be made well. These have a really good stretch, okay? And they're really going to hold your hair well and very tight. Oftentimes, I'll find that with my hair, I have to use one of these and a scrunchie, and with these, I don't. This holds my hair very well, just so you know. It's a very nice material. So let me see if I can get a better, there we go. Some colors are funny when it comes to the video. So it's like I don't know. It's like a very sheer material, but it's not opaque, if that makes any sense. And these will wash very well. You're not going to get lint or anything stuck in them. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. So the color sets that I have black in my hair, obviously, because I'm wearing a black top. And I also got this gold. I have a beautiful blush pink one, this red, and this blue that came in my bag. But there are different color sets that you can choose from. And who doesn't need scrunchies, right? They're great for putting your hair up when you need to get it off your neck, when you need to put your Juvabun on and you need a little extra help. Always good to have on hand. I highly suggest you grab some of these. Go to juvabun.com and add to cart, because it's an add to cart kind of day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.